I'm about to do a prison jail video. Look, I'm a single man living in my own apartment by myself, and a motherfucker.
Niggas
I'm living in a single place by myself. So I'm about to show y'all how to motherfucker make yourself easily able to feed yourself without the motherfucking utilities that everybody has.
I even got chips. I really gonna use this.
Alright. First thing we're gonna do is check me out. Follow me. Look, I'm gonna bust me a motherfucking penitentiary spread. See, look.
What?
Alright, the thing is, the niggas from motherfucking Summit County, they got microwaves. They got microwaves in that shit. I don't. Don't worry about the motherfuckers downstairs. Go ahead, cuz, give me. Don't worry about the niggas downstairs. The reason why you ain't gotta worry about the niggas downstairs, you got evicted.
Ugly ass.
Hold on.
Nigga even lay off from me.
I'm about to show you how we had to do in LA County Jail, bro. I'm about to show you how we had to do that. See, we didn't have these. Are you recording? Is it recording?
Bro, continue, ugly motherfucker.
I'm about to show you some shit. Got to tie around, you did? On crib.
Fat motherfucker. Tell this nigga to lose some motherfucking weight.
Yeah, I'm looking at healthy as a bitch.
Nigga look pregnant with 3 kids.
Color on my head right now, right? So look, I took the noodle sauce. This shit gotta get hot. When that shit get hot, guess what I'm about to do? Look at my refrigerator. Show my refrigerator.
MTV Cribs, nigga. No, this water.
Nigga, I'm struggling. Bitch, I'm struggling. Send me a check. You did? I'm gonna grab the mustard. I'm gonna grab the pickles.
Hey, Joe, he got 2 pickles in the
I'm gonna grab the pickles.
That ain't got no meat. Where's the meat?
Damn, pause.
No Diddy.
No
Diddy.
You said where's the meat? I don't know, cuz.
No Diddy. Y'all don't do
that. So the water is getting hot as it can. So I'm gonna do it like this.
This thing got me over here at 2 o'clock in the morning trying to show a nigga.
Yeah.
Some fucking noodle.
But look, motherfuckers ask me, where you get your microwave from? Bitch, I ain't got no microwave. I'm a county jail baby. So what you do is you close up with, just close up with hot water. What you do is, this is how you make a microwave. Boom. While that's sitting there cooking, on 60.
Remember the house sauce.
On 60. While that's cooking, no, sure, let them know why.
Remember the house sauce it out there.
Texas beef. But let them know that's how I cook it. That's the microwave. Oh God, that's the microwave. Last piece of salami. Last piece of pepper jack.
Nigga got some. He got pork.
That nigga, I'm a striver. On the block crib. So this is what I'm about to do. See, look. No, look, let them see. This is the microwave, cuz. Hot shit cooking in here. And this shit cooking on the outside hot. That's the microwave, cuz. Look, this is the real county jail type shit.
Tell this nigga he not in jail no more.
Nah, nigga.
That's wrong spot, man. Look, wrong spot.
Man, don't show the whole peak.
He's not in jail no more. No bars, no nothing, man. This nigga invested to a microwave.
Alright, so this
is an air fryer.
Shit cooking, right? boom, on crib.
That shit floating.
Nigga, that shit cooking. That shit cooking. What I'm gonna do is, what a lot of people didn't see beforehand is I put a whole bunch of motherfucking noodle seasoning in it to marinate the motherfucker. I was marinating pickle. Pause.
Yeah, this nigga man.
Alright.
What's wrong with this nigga?
Something wrong with me. Alright. So boom. Get another pickle. I'm not gonna get rid of the pickle juice. You don't drink this.
Yeah, that shit good.
Nigga, on my mama, cuz have you ever been hungover and just
Yeah, you got it. That shit help you.
that shit help, bro? But then I put seasoning in this bitch. Oh God.
This nigga making me hungry.
And you know what's crazy? You ain't gotta be hungry.
I'm hungry. I don't eat your army. There's pork.
The reason why he ain't gotta be hungry is because he trusts the women in his life to cook for him.
No,
It's not wrong with that, bro.
I wouldn't tell you that. I don't tell you no bitch to cook. Man, I would have bitch right now. God do that. I got food in my. Food.
This nigga sells sandwiches with bitches.
Who shares sandwich?
Not shit. Yeah, I did say sandwich.
What?
But look, check me out. I'm knocking out the pickles on that.
Pickles! No pickles!
Shut your stupid ass up. Alright.
Straight me up the bottom. It's alright.
Yeah. No, because I had put the seasoning in there, bro. And I'm trying to.
Bro, you need to take this to the game. Record my footage, bro. That's the football game.
Alright.
We work on Saturday. Let's check the news, man. Check the news.
Nah, go put.
News ain't even done yet.
Nigga, it's still cooking. What the fuck is
gonna
wrong?
take-
Why you fucking with my
How
microwave?
long they take, bro? How long they take?
Why you fucking with
How
my
long they take?
microwave?
How long? Let's tell people how long they take. These people, y'all
Look,
have
hey, no, stop fucking with my microwave. Alright.
Bro, what the fuck is that, bro? That bitch just stabbed the fuck out of me, bro.
This nigga weak. He get hurt by motherfucking cotton.
That ain't kind.
Oh! This is how I pick my teeth.
Bro,
I ain't gonna do it.
man.
Look, so now I got some salami meat. Check me out.
No,
I'm
Longer.
gonna chop them up.
longer.
Look, this is penitentiary. We was on the fed.
Water.
My crib.
The only nothing in life
Come on,
is
come on,
some
cuz.
fucking water.
Come on, cuz. Come on.
MTV.
I got a drawer full of.
I don't care about this. You got soy sauce.
I'm gonna show you how live, my nigga. We live. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how we do it. I'm gonna show you how you do it. Look. All that shit. Just
Come on, me, man. Come on.
Hey y'all wanna know some real shit, man? Some real gangster shit. Take off the hood.
Yeah, the microwave gonna take them noodles will take 20 minutes.
Man, that's the microwave, but you gonna see. Nigga. That's how you know this nigga ain't never really been in jail like me. I'm not proud of that. But watch, you gonna see.
He eating the product though. He can't do it.
Watch this. Watch how this shit come out. You gonna see this. I grew up in a house where nobody loved me. So I learned how
The
to
noodles and natty daddies.
nigga, that is because it became cheap. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm not drinking the highest of the best of the best. I'm drinking the cheapest of the cheapest. The nigga that's on the camera, he gotta go home at the end of the night. Not me. I'm already at home.
Yeah.
So shut your ass up.
Water and Bolonga smells. I had Bolonga in some home.
Alright. Look. Go back to
Yeah,
the
it
microwave.
shows that bullshit. You got
Go back to
over
the
there.
microwave.
Shit.
Look at that. Look, what is that?
Wow.
Blown up. Go, yeah, blown up.
Took about 20 minutes.
No, it didn't, nigga. Yeah.
Foggy as shit.
No, it ain't. No, it ain't. It got some water right there. Watch this. Nigga, this the problem with these young niggas, bro.
No, this nigga ain't investing in the microwave.
I don't need you. I'm paying attention you said. Nigga on block crib. I'm paying attention you said. See, a lot of them turn on that gang shit. But have microwaves in they county jail. I don't know what that is. But they got that in Summit County. Alright. Check me out, cuz. You still recording? Alright, okay. Look. Pin all that. Nah, nigga, hold the camera, nigga. You got it. You the boss. Fucking up the camera. Don't let him have it.
It's still on you, bro.
You just hold the camera. That's all you had to do. Because I'm almost done.
Nigga, it's still on you. Keep going. Look at how you took that bitch to the head.
The seasons. Oh God. Come on, bring the camera over here. Hey, you fucking up. Put the camera, put it down. Put it down. You got it, G. You fucked up my leg.
Smoking fucked up. Nigga. Goofy.
This nigga's talking shit. Come on, good. Look. Boom.
Let me see that. It's better cheese.
Nigga, I'm not done. I'm putting the seasoning. Put the camera back on me, man. I'm putting the seasoning. Check me out. Block crib. Alright. Look. This is what the basically look like.
Let's zoom in on that bullshit.
So you know what I'm gonna have to do? I gotta add the sauce. I got to add the sauce. A little bit of mustard. A little bit of mayonnaise. Real mayonnaise. Don't get that stupid ass Miracle Whip. That ain't nothing but that's sauce. Nah, you don't need sauce. You need that whip. So I'm about to grab that whip. Look at the whip. Look at the whip. Now we're about to mix it up. Mix it together. Man, shut the fuck up. Mixing around, getting together.
This gang weak. This gang weak, man. Look at it.
This thing ain't never flipped a motherfucking 24 to a fucking 48.
This
Get the fuck out of here. This thing talking to the
I done
wrong
turned
nigga.
2 grams to 6 grams. 6 grams
Yeah,
to 12
this
grams.
nigga is still selling 6 grams for $5. Get the fuck out of my face.
Yeah, I ain't seen
But you see me, look,
I done
I'm
turned
whipping.
12 to
Look,
24.
I'm whipping.
Nah, I ain't.
I'm whipping.
They ain't coming back.
Man, shut your
They ain't
stupid
coming
ass.
back.
Man,
They ain't coming back.
I jump back like 24. I come back at 45. Nah, that shit whipping. Look, check me out.
What is it?
That shit whipping. That shit whipping. That shit whipping. That shit whipping. Ain't no motherfucker. Hey, ain't no LeBron on.
This nigga ugly.
See, you know what I'm talking about.
Bro, let me get some of that, bro.
Hey, yeah, I know you at home.
Set this up, man. I gotta set this up. What's up?
No, hold on, cuz, hold on. You don't like this.
Bro, look, set it up right there.
Nigga, I'm about to give you a whole bowl.
No, before you eat something, bro.
Nigga, I'm not gonna make you eat out my mouth. What the fuck? This nigga fucking weird. Look, talk all that shit, cuz, huh? Look. Nigga, it ain't blowing. That's salami. Don't hate on my salami. Go ahead, get your some. See? Kind of stupid. It's gonna be salami and everything, fool. What that taste like? Tell me what it tastes like. You a hater. You a lying ass nigga. Alright.
That's good.
No. Cause this is what
Oh, more.
you don't like pickle juice? Oh, you fucking tweet. No, get some more. No, you putting shit on my foot. Nigga, put half of that bitch on there, nigga. I'm nigga, paying attention rules in effect, nigga. You know I ain't got no clue. But anyway, I got it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I said don't worry about it. But I'm gonna put some of this pickle juice in. Oh God.
Welcome to MTV Foods Cribs.
Nah, this is really more like cuz should be eating like us.
Next time, let me show you how I get down on the brakes.
Oh my God.
Stop that shit. Hey, stop.
Nah, don't stop my shit. This shit fire. This shit fire damn bitch. Try it. No, you don't want, yeah. Oh my God. That's it.